Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 16 of exercise 11.3 of chapter 11 perimeter and area of class 7th. So here in this question 16, how many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meter? And take pi as 22/7 it is given. It means to say here there is one wheel and it is going to rotate to cover a particular distance. See here, for example, I am just going to take this one cream box here. You can see I just want to show you that how it is rotating and how many rotations it is doing here. So what I want to do, I want to cover this one complete pace, and I will show you that. See, let's see, this is the mark that which is representing that when it has completes one rotation here. Rotation means we're going to cover with its circumference. See, this is the area, but when it rotate like this, it means we're going to talk about the circumference. Fine. See, let's suppose this is the starting point here, and it is going to rotate like this. It has covered its one rotation here, it comes to its starting point here, and then again moved. It means, see, we can see here that it has complete in 1.5 rotation. It has complete this one complete portion here, this one complete pace. So same here, as there is one wheel, and when it will rotate, we'll check that in how many rotations it has covered this much distance here. So for that, what we'll do here, we will find out the circumference of the circle, because the wheel is in the shape of a circle always. Fine. Then after that, we'll check that how many rotations it has done to cover this much distance here. For that, what we'll do here, as we don't know how many rotations it has done, but we know that it has to complete its area till this distance. So what we'll do, we will assume here the distance, the number of rotation as n. So here, first of all, as the radius is as 28 centimeter and the total distance here is in meter. So what we'll do, we will convert this one meter into centimeter. So let's start. The radius of a wheel is 28 centimeter and the total distance covered is 352 meter, and we'll convert this one meter into centimeter. So multiply by 100 and it becomes here 35,200 centimeter. Fine. So now what we'll do here, as we don't know that in how many rotations it has covered this much distance, so let the number of rotation be n. It means it rotate up to n times. So see how to do further. The distance covered by the wheel, because the total distance this one, so right here equals to n into the circumference of the wheel, because as we have to find out that how many rotations it has done, how many times it moved further to cover this much distance, and we have assumed it here at let it be rotate up to n time. So n into the circumference of the wheel. So here circumference of wheel means it is representing the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation. It means in one circumference here. So put here pi as 22/7 and radius as 28 it is given. Put here, it is after simplification we got here n into 2 into 22 into 4. It is equals to this one. As we want to find out the value of n, that is representing the number of rotations. Fine. So on simplification we got here n equals to 200 revolutions. It means, so it represents that the wheel rotate up to 200 times to cover this much distance. So thus the wheel must rotate 200 times to go till 352 meter, and in this way you can find out the number of rotations of that wheel to cover the given distance. Now this is the last sum of this exercise, question number 17. The minute hand of a circular clock. See, there is one circular clock. Fine. In this circular clock, what is given? A minute hand of a circular clock is 15 meter long. See, let's suppose this is the minute hand. Fine. It is 15 centimeter long. It is means this is the radius of this circle, that is 15 centimeter. How far does the tip of the minute hand moves in 1 hour? In 1 hour means it is going to complete its one revolution here. It is going to move towards its circumference. So what we'll find out? We'll find out circumference of the circle here, where the radius is in the shape, in the form of a minute hand. Fine. And we know that its radius is here 15 centimeter and it is given. So let's start it now here. The radius of the circle is 15 centimeter and the circumference of the circular clock, because this clock is in the shape of a circle. So the circumference of a circular clock is 2 pi r, where Pi's value is given as, use pi as 3.14, it is given. So we'll use here pi as 3.14 and use r here as 15. And now simplify it and we got here 94.2 centimeter. So therefore, the tip of the minute hand moves till 94.2 centimeter in 1 hour. So in this way, you can get your answer of question number 17.